Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022, question number 4. If u is equal to cosec inverse x to the power half plus y to the power half by x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 whole root, then find x squared d2u dx2 plus 2xy d2u dx del x del y squared del 2u del y2 is equals to what? So this is the question in the house of calculus. And here given u is equal to cosec inverse. So cosec, now we may write cosec u is equals to x to the power half, taking common, so here we get 1 plus y by x whole half, and denominator x to the power 1 by 3, 1 plus y by x whole 1 by 3 to the power half. So now that is equal to, we may write x to the power half phi of y by x, mentioned as a function, that is phi of y by x. So now f of u is equals to cosec u. So f dash u is equal to what? F dash u is equals to minus cosec u cot u. So just differentiating. So gu is equal to, gu is equals to, we may write that is 1 by 12 f of u f dash u. So that is equal to minus 1 by 12 tan of u. So now this one is equals to, we just simplify, this one is equals to g u into g dash u minus 1. So now g u into g dash u minus 1 is equals to, we may write minus, putting this value, that is equal to tan of u by 12 and bracket 1, and just differentiating, so it 1 by 12 sec square u minus 1. So that is equal to tan of u by 12 into 1 plus tan square u by 12 plus 1. So tan of u by 12 into tan square u by 12 plus 13 by 12. So now we reached, it is our adequate solution. So this is the whole solution of question 4. Now moving to question 5. So question 5 tells us, that is, if u is equal to x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y, then x square del 2u del x2 plus 2xy del 2u del x del y plus y square del 2u del y2 is equals to what? So this is the question in the house of calculus now, and it is a GATE sample question 2022. So now u is equal to what? U is equal to given this one. So just simplifying this one. So u is equal to x square. Just simplifying. So just taking common x square. So here we get tan inverse y by x minus y square by x square tan inverse 1 by y by x. So that is equal to x square phi of y by x. So now we see that this one is a homogeneous function of degree 2. So u is a homogeneous function of degree what? Degree 2. So now therefore x square, this one we should calculate the value of this one. So x square del 2u del x2 plus twice xy del 2u del x del y plus y square del 2u del y2, that is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 into u, that is equal to twice u. So this is our required solution, and this is the whole solution of question 5. Now moving to question 6. So question 6 tells us that is this question is regarding as Taylor series. The Taylor series expansion of sin x by x minus pi is equal to at x is equal to pi is given. 4 options are given. So now here fx is about x is equal to a. So fx about x is equals to a. So now fx become fa plus x minus a by factorial 1 f dash a plus x minus a whole square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus dot dot dot. Now one thing, if fx is equal to sin x, then fx at the point 0 is equal to 0. Now f dash x is equal to cos of x. So here f dash x is equal to, we may write 1 minus 1. Again f double dash x is equal to, we may write minus sin of x. That implies f double dash x is equal to, we may write 0. F triple dash x is equal to, again differentiate. So here we get cos of x. Now f triple dash x is equals to plus 1. So now this for our solution we make this. So here again move on. So fa is equal to, we may write at the term fx is 0. So here we put fx. Now f of x is equal to sin of x. So here we get fx plus x minus pi in term of replace a pi, replace a as pi. So x minus pi by factorial 1 f dash pi plus x minus pi whole square by factorial 2 f double dash pi. So now putting this value fx is equal to 0 plus x minus pi by factorial 1 minus of 1 plus x minus pi whole square by factorial 2 into 0 plus x minus pi whole cube, sorry it is factorial, whole cube by factorial 3 into 1. So that is equal to minus x minus pi factorial 1 plus x minus pi whole cube factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So dividing whole term with x minus pi. Now dividing whole term with x minus pi. So here we get sin of pi x by x minus pi. Sin of x by x minus pi. So x minus pi and x minus pi is cancelled off. So here we get 1 by factorial 1, that is equal to minus 1, plus x minus pi whole square by factorial 3, plus dot dot dot. So we should calculate the value of sin x by x minus pi at the point x is equal to pi. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option D is our correct choice. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.